In a world filled with diverse landscapes and ecosystems, a delicate balance exists between different forms of life.
It's a balance rooted in an extraordinary concept called symbiosis.
Symbiosis is nature's way of fostering harmonious connections, where multiple organisms rely on each other for their survival.
Take for instance the acacia tree and the ants that inhabit it.
The tree provides food and shelter, while the ants fiercely protect it against any threats.
Even in the depths of the ocean, symbiotic relationships flourish.
Coral reefs, bustling with life, rely on tiny algae called zooxanthellae.
These algae provide vital nutrients through photosynthesis, while the coral provides a safe environment for their growth.
The Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity, showcases countless examples of coexistence.
The vibrant bromeliads absorb water and provide a safe haven for frogs, while the frogs in turn offer protection from harmful insects by consuming them.
Even in seemingly inhospitable environments, symbiosis persists.
In the desert, the impressive saguaro cactus provides shelter for birds, bats, and other animals.
These creatures, in return, help the saguaro's survival by spreading its pollen and seeds.
Closer to home, our gardens also bear witness to symbiotic relationships.
Bees and flowers depend on each other for survival.
The flowers provide nectar, while the bees tirelessly pollinate, ensuring the reproduction of future generations.
By embracing the concept of symbiosis and coexistence in nature, we can gain a deeper understanding of our interconnectedness.
Just like the intricate web of life, we too can find strength in our relationships with others.
So, let us celebrate the harmony that exists in these intricate connections.
By nurturing symbiosis and coexistence, we can create a world where every form of life thrives.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through symbiosis and coexistence in nature.
We hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the beauty of harmonious connections.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.
And remember, let us embrace symbiosis and coexistence not only in nature but also in our own lives.